Hey everybody, Jonathan here, 1 Minute Walking Tours. This is the mark of Pier 54 here on the West Side Highway, obviously right next to the Hudson River. And there's a little memorial here, a little marker. This is the RMS Carpathia and the RMS Titanic. A little marker says unsinkable ship. This right here is the slip where the RMS Carpathia landed in 1912, or made shore, and it brought with it the survivors of the RMS Titanic disaster. Now, I said not too long ago when we were talking about the New York City's monument, as brought to you by Unsinkable Molly Brown, that New York had more than one memorial to the sinking of the Titanic. Now, it also has a memorial to the sinking of the RMS Lusitania, disaster at sea, 1915. Now, the Lusitania should have, but ultimately did, bring the United States into the Great War. Probably should have done it a little bit sooner, if you're asking me, but nobody is, and that was 100 years ago. So now these are just markers, not really a memorial. The memorial is this. This has never obviously been torn down because it's still here 100 years later. But this is the arch. It said Cunard. I can't photograph it because it was originally welded into the structure and it's faded away. Now, obviously the Titanic was White Star because everyone's seen the movie Titanic, but painted above it and above on the second level right here, it actually says White Star. So whether this is protected or not, I don't know, but there's a number of things in New York City that have withstood the test of time. And this piece has been incorporated into this new Hudson River Park. And you can see behind me, this whole area here has been extended out and preserved as part of New York City's ongoing park programs, and included in it is this bit of New York City history. So when the Carpathia makes landfall with the survivors of the Titanic, and including, I guess, Kate Winslet, they come here to this slip, and what they did as a memorial, or I guess because that's what you do, they took the lifeboats from the Titanic that they had taken out of the Atlantic and they put them here, where the Titanic itself should have made landfall here in New York City. Kind of touching. So, still here, 100 years later, where the Titanic never landed. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll find new places and go new places together. We'll see you here soon on 1 Minute Walking Tour.